Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are creating something simple, warm and magical using just a mason jar and jute and some Christmas ornament. This craft is relaxing, beginner friendly and perfect for home decor or gifting. So sit back, relax and let's make something beautiful together. Before we begin, let me share a small story. There was a girl named Ali who loved collecting simple things, old jars, teeny shells, small buttons, and pieces of wood. Her grandmother always told her, beauty is not too expensive thing. Beauty is in how longing, loving you create something with your hand. One evening, Ali picked up an old mason jar and wrapped it with jute, and just like that, she created a lantern that looked like it come from a fairy tale. Today craft is inspired by Ali creativity. You will need a mason jar, any size, jute tube or jute twine, hot glue gun, scissor, ribbon, lace, pine cones or any decoration, a tea light candle or fairy light, optional white paint for a frosty look. Simple item, but they will become something magical. Start with a small dot of hot glue at the bottom of the jar. Attach the end of the jute rope. Now slowly begin wrapping the jute around the jar. Enjoy this moment, feel the texture, the movement. Crafting is peaceful. Ali used to say best art comes from calm hand and calm heart. If you want a rustic look, wrap the jute a little loosely. If you want the jar to look neat and clean, wrap it tightly side by side. Ali loved rustic design because she believed imperfection make handmade things beautiful. Glue the end and trim the extra jute. Wrap a thin jute thread or lace around the mouth of the jar. This gives it a soft vintage touch. You can tie a bow, add a pine cone, glue a teeny cinnamon stick, decorate it in your own style. Place a tea light candle or fairy lights inside the mason jar. When the light shines through the jute, it's glow like a warm fire inside a teeny cabin. Ali used to keep her jar lantern by the window every evening. Its soft light guided her grandmother home through the village road. One winter night, a big storm came. All the lights in the village went out. People were scared and the streets were dark. But Ali lit her jute wrapped mason jar and stepped outside. Her warm light, little lantern shined gently. Soon other villagers came out holding their own handmade jar. Before long, the whole street glowed with small warm light made by hand with love. That light, the villager learned, when we create something with our own hand, we also create hope, comfort, and togetherness. You can place your jute mason jar on a table as a centerpiece on a shelf or corner near your window as part of Christmas or holding decor, or use it as a beautiful handmade gift. You can also fill it with candles, fairy lights, flowers, or messages, and that's your simple mason jar has become a warm, glowing decoration. Thanks for watching. God bless you.